Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your routing number on VyStar. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on VyStar, you can use the link in the description and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So actually, there are few ways to, find your VyStar routing number, and some of them are by checking your checkbook. So if you purchase something on your VStar, you will have a checkbook or bank statements, and right there on your check, just look for the 9 digits, and it actually appears on the left section of your VStar check. And these numbers usually printed in ink and flanked by symbol before and after them. So for instance, actually the routing number is the same wherever account you have, so everyone has their has the same routing number. But yeah, if you want to find it, you can find it on your checkbook. And the other way to find your routing number is by using the website. So you can log in your VStar online banking account on the VStar website, and after logging in, just go to your account settings and you will find your routing number as well as your other information, just such as your account number. And yeah, that's it. So if you're having a problem finding your routing number and still you can rely on the customer service, just scroll down until you find their contact information, and right there you can call these numbers so that you can approach by the customer service agent, and you can ask for them for their help to find your routing number. But all of that, even if you didn't log in, even if you don't contact the customer service, you can find your routing number on the top right here. As you can see on the top side, there will be a routing number there, and that is our default routing number. So yeah, but still sometimes they change their website system, and they will change something on the look of the system, and maybe this routing number will not appear right there. So what you're going to do now is by contacting the customer service, and that's the only way to find your routing number. And yeah, that's all you can do it. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.